Hi everyone, so this is not just a brown box, this is a brown box with 4 garden ornaments that have come. Let's have a little look. So like I said, these are garden ornaments. You could put them on your fence, on your house, and the first thing, they come nicely individually wrapped up. Wow, look at that, that's pretty cool. So you've got well, I suppose I'll call these like sort of gecko type animals. Let's have a look at this one. That's it. Nicely painted. They're really cute. And then you've got here, you've got like these, let's have a look. So you've got these sort of picture hook things that you can put nails on the wall and then obviously hook onto those. Yeah, so it'll be like climbing up, so that's pretty cool. And then you've got another one here. I think the colours are very vibrant. I do like the colours they've used. Made of metal. I think they're really sweet, these, a bit different. I will put the Amazon link up because that's where they came from. So I shall put the Amazon link up. At the moment they're at a price, you never know with Amazon, prices change day to day, but I think they're not bad value. Little spring on there, can you see you've got like sort of spring on the head, so there's a little bit of movement. That's cool, that's really cute. So that's it, so you've got a set of these. They're classed as garden ornaments, they're metal geckos, and I mean, they do look really sweet. So you imagine that's sort of fixed up on the wall. You could put it in the house. I mean, it depends on your taste and what you like. But I mean, hang it up on the wall. It's a bit different. Be quite effective, really. Yeah, I like that. So it's very nice. Like I say, I think they've been painted very nicely. They look great. And they're nice size as well. That's another thing. Look at the size. I'm not sure the exact measurements off the top of my head, but I think that's a decent sized product. And like I say, you've got 4 different coloured varieties in the box, and they look lovely. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll put the link up to purchase these, and I think they're lovely, really nice. Thanks.